Hello, welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about repair and review welds by arc gouging and re-welding by shielded metal arc welding.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to remove material from a workpiece by shielded metal arc welding process, SMAW process. Remove weld bead defects. Create grooves in metal. Re-weld the required area. Let us see the tools required for the welding process. Steel rule, scriber, ball peen hammer, hacksaw frame with blade, flat file, bench vise, tri-square, chipping hammer, stainless steel wire brush, safety clothing, gloves, PPE kit, SMAW welding machine. Let's see pre-welding process. Cut the MS plate as per the specification. 150 mm length, 100 mm width and 10 mm thickness. Clean the surface. Mark the line to be grooved. Punch mark the line to be grooved. Choose a special type of carbon electrode. Choose a special electrode holder along the high-pressure air hose. Now, let us see the procedure for repair and review of welds by arc gouging and re-welding by shielded metal arc welding, SMAW. Keep the plate in the downhand position. Strike the arc in the marked line of groove. Hold the special carbon electrode. Strike the arc in the marked line of groove. Metal melts easily when struck on the plate. Large amount of compressed gas is used to eject the molten metal.
It provides a clean cut surface. Re-weld the required area to the specified depth.
Now let us discuss the caution and inspection points of arc gouging. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE). Inspect the work area. Verify electrical connections. Use proper electrodes. Inspect the electrode holder. Assess the grounding system. Monitor ventilation. Inspect the workpiece. Groove 1. Groove 2. Groove 3. Groove 4.
In this topic, we have learned to remove material from a workpiece by shielded metal arc welding process, remove weld bead defects, create grooves in metal, re-weld the required area. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye!